Hello everyone, welcome to the question number 6. In the space below, draw a sketch of the solid prints. We need to draw in 3D dimensions and then, first of all, I will recommend you to write the front view. The front view don't need to be on a scale perfectly with a ruler, just you need to draw as you see in 3D. And then the first step, we can draw the front view of the object, and later the plant. The plant, just you need to draw a 45 degrees lines, this is green now, and then you need to draw the same of the front view at the back. It's important and the problem to write the dimension of the prints for the teacher check do you understand how to draw a 3D dimensions. You know all the front view and just you need to put the plant, just it. We have another method to draw in 3D dimensions. It's in perspective. It's a little bit quite more difficult, but you can see it's the same object. Remember to write the dimensions. If you don't write the dimensions, the problem will be wrong. Thank you for watching.